Hi guys, this is me hajra.vadhariya and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to do this very exciting video. I have seen a couple of influencers and YouTubers doing this, so I thought I wanted to do it. I was like, I have to do this. So yeah, I'm very excited for this video, and this is just so funny because what I do normally is just becoming so normal for everyone, wearing a mask. Everyone's wearing mask. So as you know, I am a niqabi, so I do wear niqab all the time, and just look at this right now, yeah. So I'm actually very excited because people are going more into eye makeup, how you can slay a face that has a full mask on. So this is what I actually do. So I have a lot of tips and tricks, and let me be very honest, I'm good at it. So I thought, why not share these tips and tricks that I usually do on my own with you guys, so that now that you all are wearing masks, and you should, so you must know how you can slay this much part of your face. So yeah, today we are going to be talking about all the tips and tricks, and we will be doing an eye makeup look with that. I usually do proper eye makeup looks, but since now we're not going anywhere, we don't have any parties or weddings to attend, so I thought, why not do a very wearable look that you can carry in the daytime, and then you can also carry in the night time. We are not going out mostly at night time, so we are more, we're just going out for work and stuff, so something that's very appropriate for that, or just to stay at home. So I thought, why not do something like that. So for now, what we have on is my eyebrows, and I have used a concealer and a powder. So I don't want to waste any more time, so let's quickly jump right into this video. And before we do that, you know the drill: like, comment, share and subscribe. So let's go. So guys, before we jump into our look, I want to share a few things, and I will be sharing more tips throughout this video, so hopefully you guys will enjoy and learn stuff. So very firstly, which is very important, we're going to start with how we actually do our makeup, and I'm going to guide you guys through and give you tips and tricks. So first of all, we moisturize our face. Please be very careful with your moisturizers. Have this mask on, please do not put any moisturizer or a primer that is cream based or moisture based around, especially this part. Do not put it here, because whatsoever, you will be sweating in this mask. Okay, if in case where you live is in case you have dry weather where you live, then that's fine, you can. But for Karachi especially, I will never, no, I will not recommend you बिल्कुल भी आप मॉइस्चर बेस्ड कोई भी प्राइमर और मॉइस्चराइज़र नहीं लगाएं कराची और पाकिस्तान के जो लोग हैं, बिकॉज मास्क के अंदर से आपको बहुत स्वेट होगा. अभी स्पेशली समर्स या गर्मियाँ, आपको बहुत स्वेट होगा. सो प्लीज़ डोंट डू दैट. Second thing that I usually do when I have my niqab on, I would not do a lot of stuff here, the part of my face which is covered. If you're putting a lot of foundation or concealer in this part, it is going to be a mess. Your makeup will end up being a mess. Whenever at any point if you have to take off your mask, you will see that your mask will be all freaking dirty and your makeup will be a mess. So please don't. If you want to cover a little bit, I would suggest you to just put 2 dots of concealer, because concealer won't really move very easily as much as a foundation will. So put a cream based concealer, just 2 dots if you have pigmentation here. If you don't have pigmentation, you can just use a compact powder to cover. But do not put any more than 2 dots of concealers, because you will see even that will come off all on your niqab, because on your face mask, because these masks, they don't allow air to go in, and you start sweating so bad, and it just will be a mess. Also, very importantly, next, do not use any transferable lipsticks, especially glosses. Do not use that. What I would recommend you guys is you can use lip tints, or you can use any matte liquid lipstick that you know will not move in any situation, because this will, like your lipsticks, your glosses, which can easily transfer, can give you a hard time with your mask on. So yeah, these are a few tips that I would give you right here, and now we'll jump into the makeup and I'll give you more tips and tricks throughout. So for now, I'm done with the brows. Again, I would recommend you to do nice eyebrows. If you don't want this much, if you don't like it, you can be a little soft with your brows. But brows are a very, like, even for your entire face, brows are a very important feature and contour of your face, and it's a very basic thing, and it has to be on point. So, and in this situation where just this much part of your face is out for exposure, and in this case, like when rest of your face is covered, you should try to enhance more that people can see. So yeah, so I would recommend you to do good brows. You can go a little softer, if you think that this is too much for every day. After the brows, what I have done is I've just put a little bit of concealer and set it with your, you can use a loose powder or compact powder, whatever you like and whatever suits on your skin. So that's what I've done already, and we'll jump into the eye makeup now. So for eye makeup, we are gonna, since this is a wearable, everyday kind of look, so we are going to keep the color soft and not too much, and not something that will take a lot of time. So we need to do a quick and everyday suitable look. So I have chose my Modern Renaissance palette right here. This has some beautiful colors that we can use for today's look. Now I'm going to be taking a crease blending brush. This one's from Morphe. This is from one of their sets, so it doesn't have a code. But yeah, that's what we're doing. I'm going to zoom you guys in so that we can get into the eye makeup now. Firstly, I'll be picking burnt orange shade and put it in my crease and my transition and blend it really well. Next, I'm going to be taking real gold shade and I'm going to put it in the outer corner in the crease. And now I'm taking Cypress Amber, the darkest shade, for my outer corner, blending it really well in the outer corner and a little bit in my outer crease. Now taking a blending brush to blend all of this together so there are no harsh lines. And now doing a liner with Cypress Amber shade using an angled brush. So yeah. Now taking all the three colors that I've used and I'm blending that in on my lower lash line. And now I'm taking this palette and I'll be using hot pink shade, and I'm gonna pop that in the inner corner for a sense of attraction. Guys, so first of all, I'm gonna curl my lashes. I would recommend you guys to always curl your lashes before putting on mascara. Otherwise, if you do it after putting your mascara, it might affect your lashes. Now I'm gonna take my time and curl my lashes for around 30 seconds, and yeah. Now I'm going to be using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm gonna comb loads and loads of it. Now I'm going to be coating my mascara on my lashes, loads and loads of mascara to give a falsies look, since we are not wearing false lashes. Oh my god, see that difference? So now that we are done with our eye makeup, I have to come on towards the face. So we will be talking about some contour and some highlight to make it look a little more attractive. I am going to show you guys what I do for contouring with my niqab when I'm wearing niqab. So I'm going to be taking a bronzer. You can take a contour powder. This bronzer has a little bit of cool and warm tone mixed together, so I really like it because it contours and kind of bronzes at the same time. I'm going to take a blending brush, digging in nicely, and so I'm going to start contouring my nose. If you keep both the contour lines together, it will make your nose look slim and thin. So please don't keep the contour lines too far away. I don't know why, but I've seen people putting one contour line here and one contour line here. Like, I don't get it. But this is what I think, and this is what I do. So yeah, I keep both the contour lines as close as I can. And then I take it and kind of shade it into my brows. If you don't want a super long nose look, you can shade it in your crease. But if you like a long nose look, then you should shade it in the eyebrows. Now this is a very important pro tip that I have given you guys, which I only give to my students. So yeah, there are loads and loads of pro tips, you guys. If you want, you can join in my online makeup class that's happening very soon to learn all those tips and tricks. Then I like to diffuse the sides of the contour so that there is like not a harsh line and it's all blended like that with the side of the brush downwards like that. And do you see that? You can also put a little powder if you want, but I already had a good amount of powder, so I don't need it. But do you see that thin and long effect that we just had in no time? So yeah, we're done with this part. Next we are coming on to the highlight. So for the highlighter today I have my MAC Soft and Gentle. This is one of my favorite and go-to highlighters, especially with such a situation where I have my niqab on, because it's not super in your eyes. If you put a very blending highlight, that will not look that good. So you should go for a highlight that is strong but also melts inside your skin and it looks like your skin is glowing and you don't have like a powder sort of a thing on top. So this formula is something that looks like your skin and it melts in your skin. Now you have to see where I'm highlighting. So you definitely have to highlight the bridge of your nose. It's better if you use your pinky finger to do it so that you don't destroy your contour, because if you will put a very thick line of highlighter, it will make your nose look thick again. So there's no point of contouring if you do that mistake. So I will try to be very careful, but it's better that you use your pinky. Okay, now if you feel that there is any harsh line of your contour, you can just use your clean finger to dab and diffuse it. But I love that nose contour and nose highlight. Once we are done with the risky part, now I still have my highlighter on my brush. Now I'm going to go on my brow bone first to highlight that. You know, you have to do everything to make good features in this part of your face so that it looks attractive, beautiful. But you also have to make sure that it looks effortless, because it's a everyday kind of look. So don't forget that. Now I would usually put highlighter in my inner corner because I love it, but I already have that pink, so I don't want to put a highlighter. You can also put a white or nude pencil in your waterline. That would make your eyes look even more attractive, but for now, for me, this hot pink is doing the job, so I don't need any more attraction. Now I'm taking more highlighter because yeah. So I'm gonna do not go a lot outside, otherwise it will make your face look huge. Keep it inside, like right here. And if your forehead is very huge, like you know, like that is very tall, don't go really up, because you know it will make it look even more bigger. So stay a little down. So you can see this highlighter looks beautiful, but still it won't really look too much. So yeah. So yeah, we are pretty much done with everything, and I have given you guys very important tips in the start of this video. So in case you have skipped it, so please go and do have a look on those, because those are very important tips if you're wearing your makeup with a mask on. So please do not skip that part at any cost. And also I've given you guys some highlighting, contouring tips, and also I've made you guys learn how you can make your eyes look attractive. As I'm repeating, you can also put any colored pencil, white, nude, or any like a bright color to make it look attractive. But for me, pink, hot pink was enough for a wearable look. That I guess is too much. So I don't think that I had to, but in case you want that, you can do that. Or if you do not want to do this inner corner thing, you can just put like a colored pencil. That will make it look super beautiful. So yeah, with that all being said, we are done with eye makeup. Our rest of the face makeup, I've shared loads and loads of tips and tricks. So for a mask makeup look, that is it for this video. I hope you guys find these tips and tricks helpful, useful, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like this makeup look. So with that all being said, this is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, you know the drill. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Please show your support. And with that all being said, this is the end of this video. I will catch you guys in another video very soon. Till then, take care of yourself. I love you guys. Bye bye.